Ito ang tatlong exercises na pwede niyong gawin para sa smaller waist at flat na puson. First exercise natin ang ating mountain climber. Align ang arms at ang shoulders. Gawin niyo to ng 30 repetitions. For modified version or easy version, just bring your knees in. Next exercise natin ang ating knee to elbow. Bring your knees to your elbow. Core tight. Gawin nyo to ng 20 repetitions. And for the last exercise, ang ating rainbow dips. Go side to side. Gawin nyo rin to ng 20 repetitions. Ulitin nyo lang ating tatlong exercises ng 4 na beses. Do this 3 times a week. I'm Coach Helvy. I'll see you in my next one.